Hey folks, it's Jonathan Denwood here, and in this video I'm going to be doing a review of Mighty Networks. If you're looking to build a community around your membership site, this might be a really great option. I'll be back in a few moments, folks. I'm coming back. Like I say, I'm going to do a little bit of a review of Mighty Networks. Mighty Networks is a SaaS-based platform. Basically, you sign up. It's web-based software. You pay a monthly or yearly subscription to utilize it. And it's aimed at those that are looking to build a community online, basically. One of its competitors is Facebook groups. I've got a few articles on the WP-Tonic website about the differences between Facebook groups and something like Mighty Networks. I really believe that you should use Facebook groups to build up audience, but you should, as quickly as possible, get them onto your own platform. Obviously, I'm a great believer in WordPress, and WordPress has a competitor to Mighty Networks that's called BuddyBoss. It's the best option on WordPress. I've also got an article. You'll find the link in the video show notes. Click on it and it gives you a lot more information, and I just got a ton of information on the WP-Tonic website. Now let's get into the meat and potatoes of this review. Like all SaaS platforms, it's got its strengths and it's got its weaknesses. One of the main reasons people look at Mighty Networks is that it's got a pretty slick interface. The support is quite good, and the pricing when you're starting off is quite attractive. It can, like some of the other SaaS platforms around membership websites like Kajabi, Teachable, it can get very expensive very quickly as your membership or membership group website expands, and that's what you're looking for. The other main reason why people really look at Mighty Networks is it's one of the most cheapest and competitive ways of getting an app onto Apple or Android. Apple operating system for mobile phones, or Android, which is the Google supported operating system for mobile. If you want an app and you want an app around your membership, around your group, Mighty Networks is one of the main cost-effective ways of doing it, because they provide a native app for Apple or Android. That was a bit lacking in the competitors for quite a while. I'm glad to report that BuddyBoss, they have provided their own app, so you could build a community on BuddyBoss, and at the right time where the investment is worthwhile doing, you can offer an app on their platform as well, which is great news. We provide BuddyBoss, the web part of this joint setup with BuddyBoss, so we can get you going, and then when it's worthwhile, you can then invest in the app. Because running an app, even from Mighty Networks or BuddyBoss, has a certain level of commitment and administration burden. That's one of the other factors that you've got to understand about this, that you're dealing with a very different beast when you're building out a membership site that has a large community element to it. The amount of administration and daily work that you and your team's going to have to do on that website will be 3 times the amount of a normal membership website. Just to keep that in mind. You're probably now thinking, why should I bother? Well, the benefits, it's always a metric between, yes, more work, but what are the benefits? The benefits are that you can build a much higher feeling of community of brand loyalty, of offering coaching, one-to-one coaching group. Just building a community online is much easier if you choose a system like Mighty Networks. So I feel at the right time, at the right moment, for the right type of course entrepreneur who's trying to build more engagement, more stickiness around their course, not have so many people bow out on a course. It's well worth looking at, and the investment trying to build an online community. I think Mighty Networks, I would have similar comments around ease of use, ownership. Ownership is a problem for me because ownership is going to be much stronger with something built on WordPress. Also, design flexibility. You are, like any SaaS platform, you really are restrained in what they offer. They do offer a really good website builder. They do offer themes, but fundamentally you are going to hit a barrier where you're going to be limited with the functionality they can offer on their SaaS platform and in design terms. But for a lot of people, it's going to be fine. Just be I personally, and I'm biased, I admit it, I would prefer to build my business on a more open platform where I have much more control, basically. But those comments would apply to Kajabi, Teachable, any of the pro-level membership course building platforms that compete with Mighty Network. Like I say, I've written a great post that supports this video. You find the link in the supporting video show notes underneath this video. If you've got any questions, you can go to the WP-Tonic website. You can book a personal one-to-one with me, and we can go into this in a little bit more detail one-to-one. There's a load of resources on the WP-Tonic website about building community-based websites. If you found this video useful, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. It really does encourage me to make more of these videos. Hopefully you found it useful. I'll see you soon, folks. Bye.